Catch that duck, Connor. Catch that duck. Oh, you got it. Whoa, first try. And you knocked him off. Go get another one. Think you can get another one? I don't know. It's pretty hard. Uh-oh. He's getting close. He's close. It's with, oh, he's got another one. He's got it. Lift it up. Whoa, 2 in a row. He's got to knock it off. Move it over to this side. Move it to this side, Connor. And successful. He got it off. And you get a third. Nice job, Connor. See if you get 3. Can he do it? This is hard. Thing shakes around. Uh-oh. Can he pull that one in? Can he pull in the duck? He's got it hooked around it tiny. Uh-oh. Duck wasn't happy about that. Let's zoom in and see what's going on here with these ducks. Uh-oh. Almost. If he gets it, he wins a pack of gum. Ooh, he might have another one hooked there. He's delicately navigating the ducks. And, ooh, almost, almost. Get a bird's eye view here. He's close, he's in there. Look, the guy next to him's got a duck. Can he get it? Oh, so close. Here he goes, another try, nice and smooth. Oh, we missed. Thing's wiggling around there, stuck up on the wall. Oh, he had it hooked, but it got off. Ooh, the little guy next to him is getting him. Probably because he's wearing a Yankees hat. You got the first 2, no problem. Got one hooked, he pulled it up. We got duck number 3. Can he get it off? Can he successfully get it off? Shake it around, Connor, shake it around. There you go. See that coaching there? That coaches young fellas. Oh, he's got another, oh, he had duck number 4. He's close. Uh-oh, is he putting it back in? Put it back in! That's the hard part, putting it back in. Oh, almost. Good try, good try. There he goes. Go hook a duck. Oh, you got him. Got it. Oh, good try, Connor. Here he goes. He got one. Oh, duck number 4. Shake it off. Shake it off, Connor. There you go. Nice job. Can you get all 5, Connor? Oh, he's flirting with it. The duck's moving around on him like he's alive. Oh, almost. He's got it. He's got it. Lift it up. Oh, it squirted off.
That's not fair.
He's going. He's going to scoop it. Whoa, he hit the duck's hiney. Didn't like that too much. And he's got it. Pull up, pull up. Oh, we got him all. Nice job, Connor.